YouTube, what is going on? I am back. Soul Review Kicks here, and I am back with another beautiful, quick deep dive, quick, little elegant, little soft, subtle, whatever you want to call it, little quick review of a shoe that released May 30, 2026. Price tag was $220. This shoe originally released back in, I believe, 2013 in July. The shoe today we are talking about is going to be the Air Jordan 4 Retro. Colorway is going to be fire red, white, and black. Taking a look at the box, of course, face box. Looks like everything coming out Jordan-wise is in a face box. Kind of funny. These shoes are sitting everywhere. You can get these for dirt cheap. Here's the box, copyright information. Nothing more to see there. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Inside, you are going to have that cement paper, of course. Beautiful. Multi-layered. Okay, you have the sides wrapping, and then you are going to have that beautiful Toro Bravo shoe there. Okay, first look. Slept on shoe once again. Sitting everywhere. On the shoe, beautiful. Sitting everywhere. Sitting everywhere. Under retail. StockX. Pretty sad. But we do have the lot number. We do have an inspection sticker. Shoe size is going to be, or the box size, I'm sorry, is going to be 330 by 235 by 120. There's nothing more to see. All right, well, taking a look at the top side aerial shot of it. As you see, side profiles, both sides. Picking up the first shoe. First thing I see, okay, I thought I saw some quality issues. That beautiful red, fire red hit all over that nubuck. Wow, raw material. I know it's kind of different than the 2013 pair, which was more brighter, more vibrant. But that 2013 pair used some synthetic material. First thing we see here is the tag here. Tag states color variation and nubuck leather is natural and a sign of quality leather. Each pair is unique. Okay, so you have that. Beautiful shoe, man. People are sleeping on it. Pretty awesome. Taking a look at the winglet there in black. I'm kind of upset that they didn't put the Nike Air on there, but I get it. They were trying to keep it to like original and stuff. It'd have been nice to see the Nike Air on there and just make it a whole another shoe, you know what I mean? Like with the Nike Air, but whatever. Anyways, especially if it's a classic shoe. Taking a look at that tongue hit with that patch right there in gray and white and fire red is beautiful. Anyways, let's open this shoe up and see what's inside. So this shoe takes off after its older brother or younger brother, the Air Jordan 5 Toro Bravo. Back in 2009, they released the Toro Bravo Air Jordan 5. And then fast forward to 2013, these came out. I'll put some pictures now so that you guys can see the differences. More vibrant, more red. Synthetic materials were used. But as you see, this is natural nubuck leather, right? So it's going to have that natural look, how it should, which is, you know, that fading look. Of course, you could bring them back with some mink oil and products and stuff like that and get it vibrant. But I'm not going to do that. Anyways, I did go ahead and loosen the strings, the laces. I wanted you guys to check out that bottom. Growing up as a kid, this gray bottom and this black hit was what brought me to the Jordan 4 line. There's something about this having a gray bottom, white midsole. It is just amazing. Okay, like people are sleeping on this shoe. I do not know why. I do not know why. Inside, tongue, Air Jordan, upside down, of course. Inside we do have the paper shoe tree, as always. That is not going to change anything. Size 8 tag right there. I don't know if you guys can make that out. Okay, let's see what we have on the inside. Insole wise, we are gonna have a Dream cell. I'm sure you guys can make that up. Can you guys make that out? That is some weird stuff right there. Okay, little mark right there. Size 8, right above the Jordan. Okay. Taking a look at the stitching. Oh wow. And so the shoe is doing that thing again where, you know, you can see through. It's kind of weird, but here's the stitching. Scotch tape as well. Okay. I don't know if you guys can make that out. Get you a little closer there. Okay. And again, I'm not too sure why I can see light through the footbed, but I could definitely see the lighting coming through. All right, like I said, this was gonna be a quick review, okay? Quick little subtle review. All right, quick. But like I said, that cement gray mixed with that fire red. Look at the cage here, beautiful cage. That black inlay. I mean, that black cement gray and that red is just a perfect combination. And then you throw a little white in there. I mean, come on, you know. Beautiful. I know you guys slept on this shoe and are still sleeping on it, but look at that bottom real quick. And again, I just checked prices. Size 8, my size is $163 on StockX. You know, that's not counting fees, probably like a $15 processing fee, another $15, so like $30 on top of $160 is still bringing you to $190. You're still saving some money compared to the $215 or the $220 that I paid. So, all right, I'm gonna close this video out real quick. A little recap, of course, fire red, white midsole, cement gray, outsole. Come on, you know, look at the black wing with the cement gray. Visible ear zoom unit, or visible zoom ear unit. Okay, you cannot go wrong. Like I said, $160. These are well below retail. Nothing more to say. I mean, Jordan's releasing these shoes and they're just sitting. I love it. It's a great time to be a sneakerhead. You know, you can go to the mall. It's like back in the day, you go to the mall and there's shoes sitting there. But as always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, comment, like, subscribe, share, hype us up. Every little bit counts. Like I said in the last video, I have several shoes coming. They're on their way. Shipping is taking extra time. But as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Sole Review Kicks, and I'm out. And again, happy Father's Day, guys.